Welcome to Secrets Akumal. We are in room 4104. It is a preferred club swim out. And it comes with a jacuzzi. And I love the overhead lights. And we'll come back to that a little bit later. There's a hanger purse with a jacket. There's a nightstand on each side. And it does have outlets. And let's jump over here. Quick closet. You got the safe. Got the secrets box. That's where room service or housekeeping can drop things off so you don't have to see them. And then there's another side for hanging things, extra pillows and blankets, robes, slippers, espresso machine, different flavored coffees, preferred club. You get M&Ms, you get Pringles, nuts, all kinds of yummies here. We got a bottle of champagne. And we did just empty out our refrigerator, but it does come fully stocked. But we don't drink the beer, so we have that removed and replaced with water. Place down here for your towels. I don't see any there though, we just checked in, so this is the first do-over of the room. Outlets on that side as well, clock. This is where you find out all your daily activities. You can make reservations for the spa. Find out what shows are playing, etc. Phone, more lights. But let's get to the good stuff. People who are looking for a swim out want to hurry up and get to the swim out. So here we go. You have a nice size sofa here so you can lay back, take naps, do some reading, have your morning breakfast or coffee. And then this is what it's all about. Nice, big, wide swim out, and it goes wraps around there, and it wraps all the way around there as well. About 6 rooms, I believe, on each of the pools. You do have a screen door, and of course your glass doors. And you want to keep these doors shut, otherwise the air conditioning turns off. And that's why you're seeing smog floor, wet floor, smog mirror, wet floor, sorry. Trying to do this quick because our luggage is here. We have 2 sinks, 2 mirrors, plenty of storage down below for curling irons or whatever. There is a blow dryer, and there is blow dryer, steamer, scale, so you can weigh your luggage or do a daily weight check. Again, you have the jacuzzi. The mirror's all fogged up, but big mirror. Nothing special about the bathroom, but my daughter did make an observation that there's actually a garbage can in the toilet room. Many of the resorts we go to, for some reason, they don't. They put them out here. I also got the water going in here. Don't know if you can see that, but you have the rain head shower, and then also there's another handheld shower there. Nice size bench, and they do provide you with the shampoo, conditioners, and shower gel as well. Well, thank you so much for watching. And this concludes our room tour at Secrets Akumal, Preferred Club Junior Suite Swim Out, room 4104. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see other videos on vacation destinations, be sure to hit subscribe and notification, and you'll be updated as I update the videos. Safe travels, my friends.